With this recording, I'm going to show the difference between English sounds and Spanish sounds. In English, T and D are pronounced as alveolar. You don't know this yet, but you will see in this class what the difference is between this alveolar, where the tongue is touching the alveolar ridge for these two letters, in comparison to Spanish. The T, the tongue, is touching behind the two front teeth. That's why we say in Spanish T and D are dental, and in English T and D are alveolar. Another difference is the labial dental. Let's see where we got this here. I'm in Spanish, that's why. Labial dental V. It's called labial dental because the front teeth is touching the lower lip, whereas in English that sound doesn't exist, but it is represented by this sound. So the letter V does not exist in pronunciation. It's pronounced as the bilabial B. English has its own labial dental sound. Another difference that I showed is our R in English. R really never touches the alveolar ridge, and actually they call it kind of a retroflex. If you look at the tongue, it kind of goes backwards a little bit. Whereas in Spanish, the simple tap R touches alveolar ridge, and of course we have the trilled R. It taps the alveolar ridge numerous times. We also have the B, D, and G. We look at the B, D, and G again. B, D, and G only have one pronunciation, and that is as an occlusive. You can see nice clear-cut sounds, whereas in Spanish, they are considered aspirants. You can see that we're using the B here. The lips never touch, and that's why it's called kind of aspirant or even a fricative. Here's a D here. Can't tell, but the tongue is not really touching the two front teeth. Same with this G sound. The tongue really never touches the velum. Whereas in English, there's a complete stop between those.
Ba. Da. Ga.
Okay. And then, of course, I don't have examples of vowels. Let's see if I have any. We have front vowels. And we can tell that there are 6 front vowels in English, 4 central vowels, and 5 back vowels in English.
O.
Whereas in Spanish, we have 5. I, nice and short.
E. O. A.
Always represented by the symbol that you see. I hope this helps show some of the differences between English and Spanish consonants and vowels.